So you watched my Linux video and you're feeling a bit adventurous. So the next steps are to create a bootable Linux USB drive, which is what we're going to do now. Okay, we're on my desktop. And then what we're going to do is we're going to need a couple of things, right? So we're going to need your favorite Linux distro. You'll also need your USB drive. This is a Linux distro called Garuda Linux. It's based off Arch, and there are a few different desktop environments to choose from. This is my favorite one, the Gnome desktop version. An 8GB USB will do just fine. We need the disk writer. So on Windows, I use this Rufus. If you were switching from Linux to Windows, you would maybe use Balena Etcher, but I use Rufus on Windows. So you can download this. This is pretty good software. I already have it installed, so if I go Rufus, then what you want to do is select your USB drive, select your image. Yep, use that, and then the image you've selected is an ISO hybrid. That's fine, I don't care. Just yeah, hit start. It'll delete all your data on the USB drive, so let's just make this very clear. Anything you have on that USB drive, get it off or it'll be deleted. But once that is done, this will write, and that'll be that. Okay, it looks like the drive is nearly done. Refreshing the partition layout, this may take a while. Well, fuck me. Then when this is done, I'll show you what you need to do to get your USB to boot. There we go, it's ready. Close. Right, we're ready to rock. If you want to keep your USB drive plugged in and restart your computer, then I'll show you the next steps. Right, restart your computer, and then I'm doing this on my iPhone because I have nothing else to record this with, so bear with me. Whenever the computer goes to boot up again, BIOS, hit the delete or F12 key. Now I'm in mine, right? So I'm in my UEFI. I'm gonna call it the UEFI. I have Windows and a few other partitions, but I'm gonna bring this Kingston data thing up. Then what we're gonna do is save and exit and hope this works. Is it gonna work? God help us. It looks like it's gonna work. Kick 'em the gas. And there you go. That's how you create a bootable Linux bootable USB drive, so that you can install whatever Linux distribution you fancy. If you liked this video or thought it was useful, give me a wee like, a comment or a sub, and until then,